Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular Wi-Fi systems, Google Wi-Fi system and ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600. We'll look at their features, performance, and more. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Google Wi-Fi system is priced at $99, while the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 is priced at $399. It's worth noting that the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 offers more advanced features, which may justify its higher price tag for some users. Both Wi-Fi systems are designed to provide reliable coverage throughout your home. The Google Wi-Fi system offers a single Wi-Fi point covering up to 1,500 square feet, and you can add more points for additional coverage. On the other hand, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 boasts a maximum range of 5,500 square feet, ensuring a strong Wi-Fi signal in every corner of your home. The Google Wi-Fi system uses network assist technology to ensure a fast and stable connection. It automatically selects the clearest channel and fastest band for your devices. Meanwhile, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 utilizes advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, offering a more efficient and faster transmission, even when multiple devices are simultaneously connected. Setting up and managing the Google Wi-Fi system is a breeze with its simple app. It allows you to easily see what devices are connected, prioritize devices, and even pause the Wi-Fi on kids' devices. Similarly, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 offers hassle-free control with its intuitive ASUS Router app, making it effortless to set up and manage your Wi-Fi network. When it comes to network security, both systems have you covered. The Google Wi-Fi system ensures your privacy with its robust security features. On the other hand, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 offers lifetime free network security powered by Trend Micro, providing always up-to-date protection for your connected devices. And there you have it. We've compared the Google Wi-Fi system and the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 in terms of price, coverage, technology, ease of use, and security. Remember, each system has its own strengths and may cater to different needs. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which Wi-Fi system you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.